three-point turn is a way of turning the car around safely and efficiently, to face the opposite direction, on a road where it is not possible to do a U-turn, if the road is narrow. In this video I will show the basics of three-point turn and the tips to master your skill. First of all, you need to find a place where there is no obstructions like parked cars. Make sure that it is not near intersection or bus stop. Pick a point in the road where other drivers can clearly see you from a distance and a location where you can legally stop. Once you find the spot, signal left for at least 3 seconds, checking rear view mirror, left side mirror, and left blind spots, then pull over to the left, parallel to the curb. Come to complete stop. Indicate right. You should check ahead, your rear view mirror, right mirror and right head check for blind spots to make sure that you can safely complete the turn. If traffic is clear, begin the maneuver by turning the steering wheel all the way to the right, and slowly driving to the right until your car reaches near to the curb. You can stop the car when the passenger side mirror is in line with the middle of the second part of the road. Change gear to reverse, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Scan right and left for approaching traffic, check all mirrors, head check both sides and look through the back window. When traffic is clear you should slowly reverse back across the street until your car reach near to the curb. Shift back to drive, turn steering wheel all the way to the right. Scan right and left for approaching traffic. If traffic is clear, you can drive away to the left. The three-point turn is complete when your vehicle has rejoined traffic and is traveling in the opposite direction to when you began.